Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is jam-packed of my everyday morning routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye guys. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, not even under. So the first thing I like to do when I get home from dropping off my kids at school is to clear off all the counter space and get everything back in the refrigerator that they left out from breakfast. Again and again, I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your rivers. Okay, so I have two sets of kids. I have a set of kids that goes to private school, and I have a set of kids that are public school, and they get a ton of free lunches through the county, and the apples are everywhere along with chocolate milk. Comment down below if your kids are still in school. My private school kids are still in school because the principal found a way for them to stay in the building even though all the county schools are closed. Thank God for her, but they have to be tested. The National Guard is coming in to do tests on the students and the staff to make sure that everyone stays safe while they're operating in the building. So I know I'm a little weird. I use olive oil to shine my countertops. I have laminate countertops, and when you use any kind of products on them, they get a little dull and dusty, and I don't like that look. So I use a little bit of olive oil to make it shine and pop, and it's just amazing. See what I'm saying? I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater. Shake, watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead, go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it, crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. too long. I wish that we could turn back time back to.
So this living room get tore up every day. I have a 3-year-old toddler, and she makes sure that this living room stays a hot mess. I don't know about you all and y'all toddler, but my toddler, look at her little feet everywhere. She spilled water all over my coffee table this morning, and it was just a hot mess, and I was ready to kick her out, but I can't because this is where she lives.
To all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. To all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good in the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by number isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, put my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving.
And as a reward for doing all of that, I'd like to make myself a iced coffee.
You've been playing my mind lately. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
So we are nearing the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys were able to get a little bit of motivation to get up and do your everyday morning routine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.